Most people check lights and water before paying for an apartment, but forget to test the internet connection of the area. Before you make your payment, do well to run this test to check the speed of the network of the area and stability of network in the area. This simple test can simply save you from months of poor network and frustration. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the step by step on how to be able to test the network area of that apartment that you want to rent. Open your Google Chrome, then type network speed test. Then click on run speed test. It's going to bring you to this interface, so you're also done for it to start testing the area. So it's going to be counting. Just give it some minutes. It's going to show you the download rate and also the upload rate of the area. Right, so it has finished. You can see the download speed rate and also the upload speed rate. Your internet connection is fast, which means this area has a fast internet connection, and you can also see some other details. So you need to check this very well before you rent your new apartment.